What if I told you that one habit is silently blocking your abundance, draining your energy and stopping your manifestation from coming into your life? And most people do it every single day without realizing it. Try to feel good. Claim it too. The habit is complaining. Complaining about money, complaining about people, complaining about work, complaining about traffic. And the more you complain, the more you train your mind to focus on what is wrong instead of what is possible. This is exactly why I want to challenge you to do something powerful. Stop complaining for 21 days. Because if you can change your words for 21 days, you can change your mindset. And if you can change your mindset, you can completely change your life. Most people think complaining is harmless. They think it is just venting. But every complaint is a signal to your subconscious mind. Every complaint tells your brain that there is not enough. Life is unfair. Things never work out for me. And when you repeat those thoughts every day, they become your belief. Then those beliefs become your reality. That is why complaining is one of the most biggest manifestation block. You cannot create abundance while constantly speaking scarcity. You cannot attract positive energy while constantly feeding negative energy. For the next 21 days, every time you catch yourself complaining, stop immediately, take a deep breath, and replace the complaint with a better thought. For example, instead of saying I hate my job, say I'm grateful I have income while I work something towards better. Instead of saying I never have enough money, say money is always finding its way to me. The goal is not to fake positivity. The goal is stop feeding negativity. Because whatever you feed, it grows. If you feed stress, fear, frustration, you get more fear, more frustration. If you feed gratitude, abundance, you get more opportunities, more confidence, and more positive energy. Most people do not realize how addicted they are with complaining. They complain in conversations, they complain online, they complain to themselves in their own mind. Sometimes people even bond through complaining. They talk about how bad life is, how expensive everything is, how nobody understands them, how unlucky they are. But the more you repeat those stories, the more you identify with them. You become the person who is always stuck, always unlucky, always stressed, always waiting for the life to change. But life changes when you change. And one of the fastest way to change your energy is change your words. Because your words create your emotional state. And your emotional states create your vibration. And your vibration affects what you attract. If you want to manifest faster, stop speaking the language of lack. Stop saying, I cannot, it is too hard, I'm not enough, I don't deserve. Those phrases may feel harmless, but they are programming your subconscious mind every single day. Instead, start saying the words which is aligned with the life you want. Start saying, I am becoming stronger, I am growing, I am learning, I am attracting better opportunities, I am grateful for what already I have. This does not mean that you ignore your problem. It means you stop making your problems your identity. There is a huge difference between saying this situation is difficult and saying my whole life is terrible. One statement is temporary and the other becomes your identity. And once negativity becomes your identity, manifestation becomes much harder. Because you attract from who you believe you are. So for the next 21 days, I want you to try something simple. Maybe you are grateful for your health. Maybe you are grateful for your family. Maybe you are grateful for having food, phone, or water, whatever. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is missing to what is available, what you have already.